What is FBD? FBD means function block diagram. As per IEC standard 61131-3 standard, which covers PLC DCS programming language, there are 5 programming languages: ladder diagram, sequential function chart (SFC), FBD function block diagram, structure text (ST), or instruction list (IL). So FBD is one of these 5 programming languages and is used for configuration, logic configurations, modifications, or additions, deletions for PLC or DCS controllers. So function block diagram looks like these blocks, and it describes a function between input variables and output variables. So these input variables, these are output variables. And input variables and output variables are connected to these blocks by connection lines. So these wirings are called connection lines. And in function block diagrams, the elements are appearing as blocks like tone block, end block, equal block, and etc. These are blocks. So there is another topic like process timings. There are 4 types of process timing. First one is periodic execution. So this is repeatedly executed per preset period. Then one-shot execution, executed only once when it is invoked from other function blocks or when it is started. Mostly used in sequence control blocks or calculation blocks. The third one is initial execution or restart execution. It is executed when called restart or restart process and mostly used in sequence control blocks. And the last one, restricted initial execution. It is executed when initial call to restart the process. Thanks for watching.